We're gonna get ready, get all the things done today. It is a rainy Sunday. We are going to go make some coffee. I really need to fix my nails because y'all, my anxiety has been so bad that I've picked them off. And I've been doing so good, and then the last couple of days my anxiety has just been really high. So yeah, my nails get the best of it. So I really need to fix those. I just have 3 that I need to fix, so it wouldn't take me long. I just need to sit down and actually do it. That's the problem. One of my favorite shows right here is Reba. I have everything set up for fixing my 3 nails, so I'm gonna fix them really quick. Nails are all done. They look so much better. It's gonna be time soon to completely change all of these because I'm gonna get tired of this color, but it's okay. We just fixed them for right now. We'll do that another day. We're gonna do a little bit of light makeup today. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on, maybe some concealer and like what do you call it, blush on. Nothing too crazy. I need to feel a little bit more put together. Makeup is all done. It's super glowy. It looks so good. I actually did not use the Halo Glow like foundation, and I kind of like this better. It looks more like skin. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin whatsoever. But yeah, it looks super good. And my face is not broken out, so that's really when I need like that extra coverage. And yeah, right now it's not broken out, so it looks super good.